What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Compound today. This one comes to us at the request of Mr. Apache Garage. This one is for you. You requested it. Here we go, man. Thank you for the request. Looking at it right away, I've got us on Compound USDT on the Binance chart because you've got the most volume on Binance. Not the most volume on the chart. That's not what I mean. I mean Binance is the biggest volume, or the biggest chart in... It's the biggest exchange for crypto in the world, so I think using this chart is a good thing to measure or base off of, right? Speaking of which, you do have very high volume on the biggest exchange in the world. You have the most volume you've ever seen coming off of the all-time lows, getting bullish engulfing candles. This is the real deal, bro. This is good observation, or good pick. Thank you for this one, man. I wish you pointed it out to us when it was worth $25, but hey, being at $76, I have a feeling that this thing is going to go definitely to all-time highs again. It definitely will, if not beyond then, and very likely beyond then. I've got Compound pulled up here on CoinGecko for looking at it. We got a market cap of $523 million. If this thing was to be a serious contender, it's at what's the let's see here. What is it? It doesn't say. Oh, rank 86. It's rank 86. If this thing was to get into like the top 20 in the peak of the bull market, right? If it was to get in the top 20, this thing could be worth tens of billions of dollars, okay? And tens of billions of dollars leaves room for a 100x or more. This is a 100xable coin. It definitely is. Not just for the fact of the market cap, but look at this, man. Look at this shit. This is spectacular. I really like to see this. Look at you literally formed this range. You started it back in June of 2022, right? You've got this range, and you just demolished it in a matter of 2 weeks. 2 weeks. From the low, I guess 3 weeks, whatever. But well done. Well done. And you continue to go higher. You're up 26% this week in the midst of a bunch of different things going lower. You do have decreasing volume as you're going higher. That's not encouraging. You probably will see somewhat of a pullback at some point. Let's just see here what we got, on the top to bottom. You did close right below the 1272. You are battling it right now. Maybe you reject here, maybe, and you come back down to the 886. That's not uncommon. You found support on the 786, so finding support on the one that's right above it, that's not uncommon. And in fact, rejecting the 1272 and going back to the 886 right here, right at $68.27, that's a very common behavioral pattern for the Fibonacci. But this thing could just keep going, man, because in a sense, you did break above the 100. You came back and found support on the 786. You could go up to the 618 from here, which would be at $85 or more. I unfortunately would not buy it here. If anyone's bought it, I don't know if I would sell it here either, but this thing looks really good, man. You are hugging that 1272. It looks kind of good, man. It looks kind of good. Honestly, and you're getting, I know the daily's got decreasing volume, but on the 4-hour, you're getting increasing volume. I like this thing, man. I really do like this a lot, actually. What is Compound? Where? It's on Binance, but what else? You got it on Coinbase. Okay, I am going to get into some Compound, man. This thing, thank you for putting it on the radar. I hope other people see this video because, guys, this thing is the real freaking deal here. I really do like this. I like this off the bat. So without geeking over it too much, let's actually look at the hard data. We do have bearish divergence forming. Okay, we got some bearish divergence forming. To be fair though, actually, I mean, yes we do, but no we don't. Like, yes we do, but no we don't, man. Because we had this bearish divergence form over here, and it wasn't really, I guess it was technically bearish divergence. You came down below the 50, and now you're back up again. You've got these bullish engulfing candles with spikes of volume that are increasing. I said on the daily, I'm sorry, we're on the 4-hour. I like this thing, man. You hit the overbought zone, you rejected it, but you're still lingering up here. You didn't reject it and go pew. You rejected it and you lingered. That's a good thing. That is definitely a good thing in my opinion. I think this thing does want to go higher. I think it does. I think it does. Let's see. On the daily time frame, yeah, man. No bearish. I guess you technically have bearish divergence at the moment, but man, you, buddy, you bounced off of the 60 area. You literally rejected getting out of the bullish control zone, and you stayed up here. You were showing some real strength, man. This thing, I am geeking right now. This is actually a really good one, guys. I like this one a lot. On the 1 hour, whatever. Yeah, this RSI, I don't. It can look bearish to a point, but look at this, man. You got your hidden bearish divergence, or your bearish divergence, I should say. I'm sorry, and you're just getting higher lows. You know, you haven't broke. You are tightening this range, man. You really are. You've dropped ass, and you got a minute and 7 seconds left. You're about to close. This thing looks like it wants to move now. It wants to continue higher. I do not know too much about Compound. It seems to be a more OG coin. This thing, let's see. I don't know too much about it. Let's see. We're gonna go back. It first came about on this chart in 2020, so I guess it's not OG at all. Actually, it came about in the last bull market. But dude, this well done. Well done. I don't know where have I been? Where has anybody been? Why hasn't anybody told me? Look at this. You bounced right off the 1272 down here. That's beautiful, man. So you came back up, you broke above the 100, tested back on the 236. Man, I do actually think that you're not going to go lower from here. I think that this thing, yeah, you want to go up to $80, $85, if not over $100, $120. You want to do that like now, man. You want to do, it's going to go now. And that would make sense if it kind of went up over here, because what do you have in that area? You have previous areas of support. You could test it as resistance. That's totally normal. You know, you could go up and you could even come all the way back down here. That would be totally normal. You don't have to come back down here, man. You literally freaking on. I mean, if we pump this out on the monthly, I guess not, but whatever. You engulf this whole range in a matter of 2 candles. You literally engulf this whole range with very high levels of volume. You broke out of the range, engulfing it with the highest levels of volume you've ever seen, coming off of the all-time lows. I could not ask for better, man. Like this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry that I keep geeking on this, but I'm not sorry, because it deserves all the geek. Look at this, man. 1414, you held it as support, you had a little fake out, and boom, you're going up. Oh, man. You want to go to the 618? You want to go there? You want to go to the 206 area? You know, you want to. This thing wants to go, man. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a whole lot. I'm sorry, I keep saying that. I'm really really need to dial it back a little bit, guys. Yeah, I don't know what else to say other than I'm gonna buy some Compound very soon. I don't buy highs, man, but this high is. I'm not gonna put a whole lot of money into it, but I might dabble a little bit, because this looks really good, guys. This we're gonna keep an eye on this one. This is gonna be on the list of things to watch. I got nothing else to say, man. I'm sorry if I didn't give anything of value other than wow, you know. But like, wow, man. Like I really do. Out of all the charts I've been seeing lately, this is one of the most bullish charts I've seen. So, you know, we did move up on this chart from low to high, just to dial it back, so I'm not giving anybody FOMO. We're up right now 237%. And the only retracement we've seen was 26.76%. Could this thing go lower from here? Could it come back down? Man, it could, but look, you literally came down and you tested previous areas of resistance, and you already are this week engulfing your last week. You're having a bullish engulfing candle after bouncing off of previous areas of resistance. I think the FOMO should be felt. I think it should be felt, man. This is really, really good. I really like this chart a lot, man. Where's it going to go ultimately? How about that? Let's stop looking at the short term, because obviously I like it in the short term. Look at this volume, dude. This is beautiful. It really is. Okay, so from top to bottom, I'm gonna use this low because it was the more immediate low. Yes, this was your double bottom here. You got a double bottom, bro. You got a double bottom. You had high volume here. You got higher volume. This is so beautiful, guys. This is a very beautiful chart. You just don't see it too often, especially down. Like I know it's up 236% from its lows, but guys, it's not even worth $1 billion. This is a low cap coin for crypto. It could reach a $50 billion market cap, which is a very achievable thing in crypto, and that would be 100x from here. What if it did 100 billion? What if it did multiple hundreds? Like that, you're talking some serious money, man. Like this thing is looking good. Short of, this being a total scam and it being a fraud company or whatever, which I don't know. I don't know anything about it, truthfully. So, and I'm not going to say that it is because again, I don't know anything about it. But if it's legitimate, if this volume, if this move, if everything I've been saying is to be proven and just stand the test of time, which again, it's a new coin apparently. It's been around. Let's see actually. Let's go because CoinGecko has all the data. This thing's been around since, 2020, so it is a new coin. If this thing can prove itself and stand the test of time, not get hacked, not have any faults or like shut down or any glitches or anything like that, no backdoor exit, rug pulls, you're looking like you want to go anywhere from $2,400 to $8,165. What would that do to the price? What would that do to it? Let's just see here. Right now we're here. If we were to go up to the 1272, that is a 3,000% move. So that's not even 100x. A 1618, that would be your 100. I would bet you go, man. I think this thing has an 8,000. It's worth $76 right now. This thing has an $8,000 plus price, totally possible by the end of this bull market. It's not going to happen. I know that we're making quick moves now. Nothing moves in a straight line. I don't care how bullish this thing is, and it is very bullish looking, guys. This is a very bullish looking chart. But nothing moves in straight lines. It really doesn't. Even though this looks like a straight line down, right? You had, let's say you moved down, right? Well, then from down to up, you moved up 170% there. You went down again from low to high. You went up 87%. You're not just going to move up without having some serious retracements. It's going to happen, but I don't think it's going to happen now. I think this little 24% retracement right here, I think that's all you got. I think that's it, man. Let's see. From low to high, you hit the 236. Whoo, buddy. Very bullish. Very, very bullish, guys. I hope everybody watching this video, this is not financial advice. Do not base your financial decisions off this, but I hope you all look into this. Because look at, man, on the weekly, look at this, bro. Low, higher low, higher low. Low, lower, no. Yes, I guess, is that a lower low? Oh, if it is, I mean, yeah. You've got double bullish divergence that literally formed a year ago. That you have been forming bullish divergence for over a year, and you had this miraculous move off. Man, this is the real deal, guys. Again, this is not financial advice. Nobody, do what you want. Do your own research. Look into this thing. I'm gonna look into this thing afterwards, but I give it the green light. If I could give it 10 green lights, I would give it 10 green lights, man. I would give it a freaking platinum light on a golden platter. I like this thing a lot. So, without saying the exact same thing over and over again, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and I'm going to go buy some compound right now. So, have a good night, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.